Hello and welcome to OneCNC. OneCNC CAD-CAM provides powerful, versatile, yet easy-to-use tools for both CAD and CAM. OneCNC also provides the beneficial ability to fully customize the user interface. You can toggle menus on and off, you can reposition menus, create custom toolbars, and custom hotkeys. Using OneCNC's robust CAD, you can easily create wireframes, solids, and surfaces. Simply take your cursor over to the command manager and enter the parameters. You can create your geometry using absolute coordinate input, incremental coordinate input, grid snapping, or reference off existing geometry. Because the workflow provided by OneCNC is very straightforward and intuitive, making modifications is very easy. Simply select the geometry and make the changes. In this example, we're adding chamfers and a fillet to a solid model. Additional geometry attributes, such as color, style, and layer, are also easily configured. Addressing the emerging shift in manufacturing towards Industry 4, OneCNC provides a robust set of tools to easily gather and process data. In this example, you can see we're creating dimensions directly from the solid model. In addition to the powerful CAD provided by OneCNC, you also have the ability to easily import third-party CAD formats, such as SOLIDWORKS SLD PRT files, Parasolid, STEP, SAT, IGES, DXF, and many more. OneCNC CAM provides efficient toolpath and excellent surface finish. Incorporating OneCNC's Active Cut technology, high-speed machining extends tool life and reduces cycle time via constant cutter load. Creating toolpath is intuitive and made easy by OneCNC's wizard-driven menus, comprehensive tool libraries, and robust material libraries. Simply enter your parameters within OneCNC's easy-to-use menus. You'll be provided with dynamic feedback and a wide variety of efficient toolpath to select from. Toolpath can be previewed at any time along with all part and fixture geometry. OneCNC also provides the robust ability to simulate the removal of material from stock via the simulator. Now, stock can be defined from wireframe geometry, a single solid model, or multiple solid models. In this example, solid models are used to define all the fixture components as well as the stock. OneCNC CAD-CAM supports a wide range of manufacturing disciplines. Let's start with 2.5-axis milling. Now, 2.5-axis milling provides the ability to easily apply toolpath to both wireframe and solid models. Toolpath supports critical features such as subroutines, multiple work offsets, CAN cycles, traditional and high-speed machining. OneCNC 3-axis machining provides the ability to apply 3-axis toolpath to both solids and surfaces. Geometry can be easily created within OneCNC or imported from third-party CAD systems. Now let's take a look at OneCNC 4-axis position machining. Toolpath is efficiently applied to multiple sides of a part attached to an indexer or a rotary table. Toolpath can include 2.5-axis machining and 3-axis machining. OneCNC 4-axis wrap machining provides the powerful ability to apply toolpath to features that are wrapped around a cylinder. Geometry can quickly be created within OneCNC or imported from a third-party CAD system. Toolpath can include both 2.5-axis and 3-axis. OneCNC 4-axis simultaneous machining provides the versatile ability to use the 4th axis to apply 3-axis toolpath to both solids and surfaces. Toolpath is provided as parallel passes around the geometry, spiral passes around the geometry, or parallel passes along the geometry. Now let's take a look at OneCNC 5-axis position machining. Toolpath is applied to multiple sides of a part attached to a trunnion or using a machine tool that has an indexing head. Toolpath can be both 2.5-axis and 3-axis. OneCNC 5-axis simultaneous machining provides the very powerful ability to utilize all the axes when generating toolpath. In this example, we're using 5-axis swerve cutting to machine the tapered walls along the outside of the part. Now let's take a look at OneCNC Lathe. Incorporating the same intuitive CAD provided within all OneCNC systems, geometry can easily be created within OneCNC or imported from third-party CAD systems. Geometry can consist of wireframe, solids, or surfaces. Applying toolpath is made easy by OneCNC's wizard-driven menus. Simply select the machining operation and fill out the parameters. Powerful features include smart boundaries for recognizing castings and forgings, high-speed turning, CAN cycles, comprehensive tool libraries, material libraries, setup sheets, and much more. In regards to OneCNC Lathe disciplines, Let's start with 2-axis lathe. OneCNC 2-axis lathe provides the ability to easily apply OD and ID toolpath to part geometry, providing efficient toolpath for rough, finish, bore, groove, thread, face, and part-off machining operations. OneCNC C-axis provides the powerful ability to incorporate live tooling to generate both radial and axial toolpaths. CNC code can be output in both polar and non-polar formats. OneCNC Y-axis further extends the capability of live tooling, allowing the tool to generate toolpath away from centerline. OneCNC's powerful B-axis provides the ability to generate toolpath using tools mounted at various angles. Let's take a look now at OneCNC Wire Edm. OneCNC supports both 2-axis and 4-axis wire. As provided by all OneCNC CAD-CAM systems, geometry can easily be created within OneCNC or imported through third-party CAD systems. Wire cuts are easily applied to geometry, and unique power settings can be defined and saved for future projects. All wire cuts can easily be reviewed using OneCNC's powerful preview. OneCNC 2-axis wire provides the ability to apply wire cuts to both open and closed profiles. Critical parameters such as wire compensation, cutoff, blending, auto-threading are easily defined and implemented. OneCNC 4-axis wire adds the ability to apply wire cuts to complex geometry. Geometry can be defined as wireframe, solids, and/or surfaces. Now let's take a look at OneCNC's robust profiler. OneCNC's powerful and versatile profiler provides CAD-CAM for plasma, laser, router, and waterjet. Geometry can easily be created within OneCNC or imported from third-party CAD systems. Once created, part geometry can easily be nested within a user-defined area. Part nesting can be implemented automatically or manually. Lead in, lead out, and tabs are fully configurable. Regardless of the machining discipline, OneCNC has the correct CAD-CAM for your requirements. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we do look forward to hearing back from you.